have 2 locations in the Netherlands. On both sides we have a data historian, so process data, and also a MES system which aggregates the data. And all 4 systems are connected to TrendMiner as data sources for the displays.
What is your takeaway from today, from the sessions?
My takeaway that TrendMiner is going to look into event data much more, and I've been looking into that the last year also, but it was quite hard to get data in. And current version is already a lot easier, and it's good to see that some effort is put in there to also start using it for event data. Yeah, what we mainly use it for currently is troubleshooting. So if there's something they don't understand, want to look more in detail, that's where they go to TrendMiner. Because they can also do it in the control system, but that's only for a limited period, so 4 weeks, maybe 2 months. But if they want to look at a longer period, they use TrendMiner to see what was the history of the tag.